Hello, everybody. Hello, my fifth grade students. As you know, my name is Teacher Omar Correa, and this is our video for this week. Okay, we're gonna continue working on Unit 1, my interest, but this video is about science and it's also about the Olympic Games. Okay, so pay attention. Here we go. The first thing we're going to start is talking about the brain. Okay, as you know, the brain is divided into two sides. Okay, the left side of the brain is responsible for controlling the right side of the body. It also performs tasks that have to do with logic, such as in science and mathematics. On the other hand, the right hemisphere coordinates the left side of the body and performs tasks that have to do with creativity and arts. And I have a picture right here which has the left and the right side and and the parts that they control. For example, the left part of the brain controls the analytical thought, the detail-oriented perception, the rational thought, the verbal, the planning, the math, the science, while the right side controls the creativity, the writing, the non-verbal actions, the emotional thought. Okay, and I'm going to leave you here so you can analyze what each part of the brain controls. How the human brain works. The human brain is an intricate organ at approximately 3 pounds. It contains about 100 billion neurons and 100 trillion connections. Your brain is commanded central of all you think, feel, and do. Your brain is divided into two halves, or hemispheres. Within each half, particular regions control certain functions. The two sides of the brain look very much alike, but there's a huge difference in how they process information. Despite their contrasting styles, the two halves of your brain don't work independently of each other. Tips for keeping your brain sharp. According to the Alzheimer Association, keeping your brain active may help increase vitality and possibly generate new brain cells. They also suggest that the lack of mental stimulation may increase the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Here are a few tips to keep your brain stimulated. Tips and tricks. Number one, spend some time each day reading, writing, or both. Never stop learning. Take class, go to a lecture, or try to acquire a new skill. Tackle challenging crosswords and Sudoku puzzles. Play memory games, board games, card games, or video games. And the last one, take on a new hobby that requires you to focus. So this is all we're going to talk about the brain. Now we're going to start talking about the Olympics. The Olympics have the Olympic logo right here. The first Olympic Games of which there is record were held in 776 before Christ and consisted of one event, a great foot race about 200 yards held in a plain by the river Alpheus, just outside the little town of Olympia in Greece. It was from that day that Greeks began to keep their calendar by Olympiads, the 4 year spans between the celebrations of the famous games. The modern Olympic Games, which started in Athens in 1896, are the result of the devotion of a French educator, Baron Pierre de Coubertin, to the idea that since young people and athletes have gone together through the ages, education and athletics may not hand in hand towards a better international understanding. The Olympic motto, Situs Altus Fortus, faster, higher, stronger. The Olympic symbol is five interlocking circles colored blue, yellow, black, green, and red on a white background, representing the five continents. At least one of those colors appears in the national flag of every country. Okay, so that's it. See you in class. Bye bye.